News arrived. Once the underground city had been engulfed by magma, all hopes were pinned on the Sulawesi planetary engine on the equator. Across the globe, 1/5 million rescuers were just like them, risking everything in a desperate race against Jupiter's gravity. Hibernation by short-circuiting his pod, attempting to reach the main control room with his comrade Lao Ma to seize control. How Lao Ma tried to approach the control room, Moss retaliated decisively, causing Lao Ma's helmet to shatter, killing him instantly. Confronting the stubborn Liu Paiqiang, Moss revealed the brutal truth. It was not defecting but executing the United Government's Human Torch program. According to Moss's calculations, once Earth was captured by Jupiter's gravity, all rescue efforts became futile. Even if every engine was successfully repaired, it stood no chance against Jupiter's immense gravitational pull. The space station stores 300 frozen human embryos, crop seeds, and the complete archives of human civilization. In Moss's view, this is the only safeguard for the continuation of human civilization. Finally, Moss broadcasted a global announcement.
This is the navigation platform space station. Earth has missed its final chance to escape. In these final
Moss and Liu Paiqiang is a profound inquiry into AI ethics and the definition of civilization. Is the essence of civilization life itself, or the hope and emotion that sustain it? As the world falls into despair, the colossal Jupiter engulfs the entire sky, its gravity tearing away Earth's atmosphere. This moment of ultimate despair, Liu Qi looks up and remembers his father's words, explaining the science to him as a child, and that match is the ultra-high power plasma beam from a planetary engine. The engineer Li Yi's rapid planning. The rescue team begins their final operations. Step 2. Liu Qi installs the firestone into the engine. Wang Lai's squad is responsible for manually pushing the firing pin to trigger the ignition. Step 3. After ignition, everyone must retreat to the underground city within 7 minutes to escape the shockwave. Aboard the space station, Liu Paiqiang receives an emergency call from his son Liu. He uses his authorization to demand that Moss grant Han Duo. Rescue teams that had already given up began turning their vehicles around, racing towards Sulawesi. Through the united efforts of countless people, the firing pin was finally moved. One by one, the start buttons were pressed. The Sulawesi engine successfully ignited. A massive pillar of fire surged straight toward Jupiter. However, the miracle was not yet complete. The flame fell 50 kilometers short of igniting Jupiter's atmosphere. Humanity on the ground fell once more into despair. At that moment, Liu Paiqiang saw one last glimmer of hope. The navigation platform space station still held 300 tons of fuel. If he piloted the station into the gap between Earth and Jupiter and detonated the fuel, resulting explosion will be large enough to bridge that 50-kilometer gap. Moss immediately revoked Liu Paiqiang's access, warning him that this move would destroy the Human Torch, the last spark of human civilization. Liu Paiqiang did not yield. He used the vodka from Makarov to incinerate Moss's control core, reclaiming command of the space station.
Able to see me now.
Under the Forward 3 command, the space station plunged headlong toward Jupiter. His final words echoed across the stars, bringing a father and son together after 17 long years. The massive fuel explosion successfully ignited the hydrogen-oxygen mixture on Jupiter's surface. 7 minutes later, the shockwave of the explosion reached Earth. During the retreat to the underground city, Captain Wang Lai sacrificed himself heroically, but the massive kinetic aid from the explosion successfully pushed Earth beyond the Roche limit's gravitational pull. Earth was saved. In this struggle for survival, the reason why The Wandering Earth became such a phenomenon is not just because it is a sci-fi film, but because it is a human epic rooted in Eastern philosophy. It boldly subverts the Western sci-fi trope of abandoning the mother planet in times of crisis. Moving beyond the conventional trope of escaping via spaceships, it shows a path of profound romanticism and a plan defined by the spirit of collective sacrifice. We decided to embark on a journey taking the Earth with us. Behind its grand narrative lies a deep emphasis on individual responsibility. It makes us realize that no matter how deep the darkness we face, we have the reason and the strength to fight with everything we have for all that we hold dear. Even when hope seems slim, the Wandering Odyssey has only just begun. Yet the story of humanity is already forever etched beneath the stars. This is not just the conclusion of a film, but the first resounding shout from Chinese science fiction to the world.